Good day. So, now, late kami nag-prepare since, ayan, nagpahinga kami yesterday, pagkagaling, tsaka kanina, na-idlip ako ulit after kong mag-breakfast. Pero ngayon, patapos na kami mag-ayos. And our destination for today is we're going to New Brighton Pier. And I think it will take us like 1 hour sa pagta-travel. But after that, pupunta kami ng Justmart, I think. Tapos naman yung may malapit na mga good places here. So, kaninang umaga, umambon. Kaya hindi kami umalis ng umaga, hindi kami sumabay. Now, punta kami, maglalakad kami going to the bus stop. And doon na rin siguro kami kakain sa labas. Do I think magbabaon kami ng a bit of snacks. Hi guys, maulan. Sayang outfit.
Sayang kulot.
Mag-change location muna kami since baka mas malakas ang hangin at ulan doon. Since dagat siya. Ang lamig. Pinagsabay pa ng super lakas na hangin. Pero carry lang naman. Hindi pa rin naman kami tinatakay. Oh no! What the fuck? Pero nakikita ko na yung bus. Yun nga lang, parang alam yun, na-anxiety na ako sa natagal pa na kasi ko layo pa. Guys, yung nasakyan namin ng bus. Bus, ang driver ay dito. Kanina yung sister ko nag-alam siya kung saan yung Northland Parks. Tapos ngayon, nag-stop over siya. Tapos, ano ba siya sa lip? Niloko niya kami, sabi niya, binabaha daw yung pupuntahan namin. So sabi ko, sige po, change location na lang kami. Tapos nag-joke. Kuya ha, talagang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Siyempre maniniwala kami kasi sa Pilipinas lang bumabaha, di ba?
Ayan, nandiyan si Kuya. Thank you, Kuya. Yung change of location namin, guys, ay nasa Northland Shopping Center. And then may nakita akong farmers. I don't know if isa lang sila, pero I think yes, this is it. Yung hair ko walang-wala na. Hindi na naman ang diwa ko because I saw some establishments or shops here na may pabango. And yung hinahanap ng sister ko na last shop, meron sila dito. So we're gonna look if meron silang sticky dates. So if meron daw, bibili daw siya. Sana all.
Yan talaga yung sinadya namin dito.
Wala na yung hairstyle natin. Yan, binaba ko na yung hair ko.
Saan yung lash?
Tagal nang hinanap tong sticky dates na to. Kahit sa Pilipinas.
Wala pa.
Saan dali gusto mo? May prices sila oh. May pang 100, may pang...
Yung ano na lang.
So we just bought our lunch at Makimono Northlands inside this shopping mall. And it has tempura, salmon, and with rice. Yeah.
Baki bento, seafood.
Yeah. Lalang, inuubog na naman ako. Lagi yan pag cold. So we're currently waiting for our order to be served. And after this, we're gonna continue strolling around here. Guys, ang dami nila. $30. Andito kami ngayon sa The Warehouse inside Northland Shopping Center. Para siyang Nando's, guys. May foods, may bags, may damit, may mga skincare, may mga cosmetics, marami. May mga appliances din, mga school supplies or work supply, office supplies. Okay guys, ang mga tao dito is very kind kasi talagang lalapitan kanila para puriin ka.
Compliment.
Grabe. Good vibes siya kahit di mo kakilala. Kahit stranger. Now we're here at Woolworths. grocery store siya. Tapos, naghanap kami ng pinapanap sa amin ng aunt namin, which is yung Miss Higgins na cookies. So, ito. Meron siya dito. It costs like $4. So, yung $4 na yun, meron na siyang 300 grams. And I think it's sulit naman na. So, we also got ours na chocolate flavor. Ito kasing isa, it's parang oatmeal. Yeah, OT favorite ko kalagay.
We decided na umuwi muna kami since malakas ang ulan. And yeah, pa 5 PM na rin naman. And magkasara na ang mga stores dito. Take time to rest muna at magpainit dito sa loob ng bus. Kasi 30 minutes kami. More than 30 minutes kami nag-antay sa labas ng ang lamig-lamig ng hangin.
Good day, guys. So today we're going to Sumner and I think New Brighton if may time pa. Pero ayan, the weather is good today. So kaya ako nagmamadali ngayon because I double check the door kung nakalock siya talaga. At para sure tayo, since day 1 naman tayo ng bus kanina, yung next bus is 12:19 pa. Right now, I'm hurrying up. Going back to the bus stop. I could go back to my sister. Yung mga pupuntahan namin is may mga water. I mean, dagat. We just arrived here at the bus interchange and we're going to wait for our next bus, which is number 8. Route 8, Littleton via Colombo Street. Yun na yung last para makarating kami dun sa destination namin for today, which is yung Sumner Road Lookout. I hope after that may next destination pa kami. I'm not sure if kakayanin ang New Brighton here, pero let's see. If not, syempre, we're gonna have to think of another place where to go para sulit ang day na to. Yan guys, malapit na kami and the tunnel is super long. So 2 stops more before we finally arrive at our destination. Here na, we're just gonna walk for like 18 minutes, 17 minutes para dun tayo sa may magandang view. And then I think yun yung mas magandang spot. Mas makaka-take tayo ng pictures. Super hangin at super lamig dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa harap ng dagat. Talaga sa pinaka-inaakyat namin now. Pero the view is really good. Grabe, it's amazing, guys. Look, this is the sea and the mountains, so. And then we already got a lot of photos na pwede namin i-post. And with our mom.
Hi, Ma!
Yes.
Naka-New na rin si Mama.
Yes. Guys, nakaka-stress relief yung makakita ng ganitong type of scenery. Like, lalong-lalo na pag nature talaga. Tignan naman oh. Grabe. Walang-wala pa to ha. Look. Wow. Okay, we have decided not to push through. Hindi kasi may maganda naman ng view.
Kitang-kita naman na dito.
Okay naman na kami. Solve na. Guys, this is like Baguio din siya kasi nakatayo yung bahay sa mga, sa mountain. On top of the mountain. And hindi siya yung ganong ka-steep akyatin. So, carry lang. So, we are about to head na ngayon sa parang village nila. Wherein may mga shop or mga souvenirs. Tapos may mga kainan. So, let's go! So, here's their village kung saan kayo pwedeng mamili. So, baba lang kayo din kung saan kami umakyat. Then, dire-diretso may mga shops na here.
bus, going back to the bus interchange. At ayun, I think we're done na here. So 3:01 pa ang dating, so I think we're gonna wait for like 5 minutes pa more. Yeah, 5 minutes more. On our next destination, we're going to the Palms. It's a shopping center, so it's a mall. May kailangan lang kaming sadyain. May inutos lang sa akin na pinapatingin na pasabay. And may pinapabili lang ang aking beshiwap. So, see you guys later there. So, nandito na kami. Yan yung mall. Yes. Coming from the bus. Favorite place, guys. Camis again. Just gonna make a quick shopping here. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one kasi ang bango niya, guys. Ito. So, dagdag natin siya dito. Already bought the perfumes that we want. And then yung mga pasabay ng aming family. Pero ang mura lang ng pagkakakuha namin dito sa mga perfumes ito, guys. And then you're gonna see this on my unboxing video. We're going to Manila Grill now, guys, to have our early dinner. Ay, gusto mo mag-take out tayo ng McDo? Mag-take out lang pala kami ng McDo, guys. Kasi, para meron kang midnight snack. So, yan o. Tapos may mga pinamili natin. Eee! Akala mo mayaman, no? Pero hindi po. Hindi po kami mayaman. Magastos lang. Made it here inside the bus. Finally, tama na. Because there's one doon kanina sa isang bus stop. Mali pala yung pinagawa. Pero there's one Kiwi who helped us. Grabe. If I'm gonna rate people who live here, kung gaano sila ka helpful or hospitable, I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. Talagang hindi sila nag-hesitate na lumapit sa amin just to help us. A lot of times, guys, there's kanina rin nung galing kami dun sa Sunway Road. Meron din nung dalawang French students na wala silang cash, saka walang hindi kasi tumatanggap ng card dito, kailangan Metro card or cash lang, wala silang dala, so nilibre sila nung isang local. Yeah, those girls are from France and I think they're staying here for like 6 months, pero 1 week pa lang sila, so hindi pa sila maalam sa transportation here via bus, no? So yun lang, basta nakakatuwa lang na they're helpful to foreigners like us without hesitations. I highly recommend you guys to visit New Zealand kasi hindi kayo mahihirapan mag-navigate here and it's easy to learn kung paano mag-navigate. So, nandito kami sa Manila Grill and we're gonna have our early dinner here. Hello sa aking friend ni John. Wow, naka-bridge siya ngayon. Yes, we just get a complimentary dish from the chef of this restaurant. Ito. Hindi yung scallops. Simple scallops yan. Fried scallop? Sabi sarap. Seafood. Ang sarap. Ang sarap guys. Grabe. Ang ko alam tawag dito, pero sarap. Ay! Mainit pa kasi guys yun. Order ako ng favorite kong takoyaki sa Pilipinas pa lang. And alam niyo ba na kahit saan talaga ng mga takoyaki sa Pilipinas, tinitikman ko. And dito rin sa New Zealand, ang daming mga Pinoy kang makakasabay dito. Kaya feels like Philippines talaga dito. Today is January 5, so we have decided not to go anywhere na like maggala to other destination. So mga 6 something na ngayon, 6:30 something. We're planning to go na lang somewhere like city center na lang kasi in-invite kami ng friend ko to go or ipakilala sa kapwa Filipino friends na dito sa New Zealand. So, nag-guess naman kami. Kasi earlier, nag-work talaga ako kanina para
hindi ganong ano yung backlogs ko, hindi ganong patong-patong. Ngayon, nag-navigate ang aking navigator ng next na bus stop na sasakyan namin kasi mali kami ng pinag-antayan. So, yun lang. Pinadaanan kaming transport. Ito pala yun. Ang hangin na naman. So, we have decided to walk muna since 8 PM pa. 8 PM pa ang dating ng next bus going to our destination talaga. Yung sa'yo din. Ganyan. Tapos hihilahin sabay pag kung sino yung pinakamalaking part. Siya yung player. Crown yun, crown. Ang crown ba to? I got blue. I got purple. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. They got green, they got orange, yellow, and shiny green, purple, and blue. What's yours, ate? So this is their tradition. Sa mga ano, ang cute naman din pala ito mga piniliso dati. Miso. Miso soup? Hi everyone, we're heading home. I'm with Fry. I'm with Christine and her sister Catherine. Time check. I'm gonna check on my phone. Wait a second. It's 2 AM. Of course. So napag-utusan ako guys na mag-makeover ng vlog ng aking kaibigan. Now, tinutuloy-tuloy natin. Ano bang nangyari kanina? So in-interview. Have you enjoyed Friday?
Oh, sorry. It was pass. Ikaw na naman.
Okay, ikaw na naman.
Madami.
So, let's interview Christine kasi Fry is currently driving. So, yun na guys, we're heading home na after we went to their friend's house. Actually, parang friends na rin namin kasi close talaga na dito nasamahan ng mga Pinoy pag nasa ibang bansa. So, ayun, parang I think we gained another member to our group of friends. So, yan lang. So, tomorrow, ang flight namin ay 7 PM going to Cutie. Hindi yung Cutie na cute, but Cutie is Queenstown. Okay? And hindi pa kami nakakapag-impake, guys. Kasi, wala lang. Ganito kami kaganda eh. Hindi kami nag-impake. Guys, nasa na tayo? Oh, very beautiful new friend. My name is Mia.